Farmer Jake and Farmer Ben were two widely different men with one shared problem: the river that ran between their farms. Both farmers had grown their livelihoods on opposite sides of the sparkling water, but lately the river had become the point of contention rather than unity. Jake, tall with overalls and a straw hat, was often seen at the riverbanks angrily pointing at Ben, who was shorter and perpetually in plaid, using his glasses to scrutinize the details of any new problem. Ben's attempts to redirect part of the river flow with small dams sent Jake's temper soaring nearly as high as the sun overhead. Ben felt little better. Watching Jake hover around his side of the river, always with a hose, left Ben fuming. Day by day, their disputes grew louder. Animated by the wrath unique to farming livelihood threatened, they shouted from across the river with the type of gestures that could banish rain clouds. And banish they did, or so it seemed when the riverbed dried up under a blazing sun. Both farmers stood in shock, their watering cans empty, their last hopes evaporating like the water between them. With their crops wilting, cornfields drooping on one side and vegetables failing on the other, Jake and Ben sat together at the dry riverbed. Their anger had dried up too, replaced by concern and desperation. In shared silence, they realized their feud was a luxury they couldn't afford. They shook hands beside the parched riverbed, their hopeful expressions reflecting the start of collaboration. They devised a plan, blending muscle and ingenuity. Jake dug trenches while Ben organized pipes, ensuring each land received its share of the precious resource. Their unity drew curious glances from both sides of the community. As if rewarding their efforts, the skies opened, sending rain that revived the river. Jake and Ben cheered together under the rejuvenating downpour, now truly united by the circumstances. Soon, their farms throve vibrantly, the regain of life more abundant than both of their previous separations. Standing on their respective fields, Jake and Ben exchanged produce, corn for carrots, signaling a camaraderie. With the thriving farms beckoning the community, a feast was held by the spirited river. Jake and Ben hosted neighbors, showcasing their collaborative bounty. A solidarity had been watered and nurtured between them. Jake and Ben stood side by side, sharing laughter and tales learned from adversity. The hardships had forged a friendship stronger than any river flood. The two smiling farmers, their lands flourishing from unity, connected by a shimmering river, the bearer of their shared success.